Hello guys, so just want to quickly explain something to you guys. If you had missed the CPI because of whatever reason, I missed it because of load shedding, which are power cuts in the country. So if you happen to find yourself in a situation like mine, you don't have to worry guys, because let me go here. As you guys can see, we on a sell, right? We took it as a sell stop and we're saying the market is going to continue going down. How do we know this? Because let's go here. If you come here, you will see that the CPI increased, right? Which means there was an increase in inflation, therefore indices should go down. I explained this very well in my previous videos titled CPI something. Just go check it on the channel. Anyway, so now with that expectation, or with that having already happened and you coming in late, you can expect a continuation, right? Remember, there's going to be a lot of volatility during that CPI news, right? In this case, the market went down. And after that happens, remember, these things are timed exactly. They're timed in a way that they don't want to shake up the market, right? So what happened? The CPI is timed 1 hour before market open, right? Let me go show you. When you come here, what is this? This is around 2:30 South African time. In the US, it will be 8:30. Yes, I think. Yes. Here in SA, it's 2:30, and then 3:30. That's when the US the market opens. As you guys can see, what happened during US Open, the market went up, but it's gonna continue. This happens because all this move here, there was the big banks, the big players in the markets. They made their profits here, right? This small rejection, that's them closing, that's them misdirecting you guys, that's them doing whatever, and that's us retail traders thinking the market is already oversold, therefore it's going to continue going down. That nonsense does not happen. What happens is that there's a large amount of volatility, right, creating the downward liquidity. By the time this liquidity is finished, there will be a continuation of liquidity going down, right? Because this does not hold. If you can see it in the other indices, since these are US fundamentals, you will see what happens. You'll see it nicely in the US. There's your sell move to the downside. When the market opened, in fact, just before the market opened, what happened? It formed, just there, right? The 15 minutes before the market opened. It gave this small bullish candle, making it look like, okay, now the market is about to open and we're about to turn. That is nonsense. That never happens, right? Especially with news that are so direct and without no way of manipulating them, like CPI, unlike the NFP. So this candle is a good indication that there's going to be a continuation to the downside, continuation in that liquidity to the downside, right? Remember, how do you see this? You see it by the candle. When it opened, the market open candle, it went up from the wick and then came down and from the wick to the bottom side. But when it closed as a bearish candle. That's a firm confirmation that the liquidity is still to the downside. As you guys can see, even if you miss this move, you're gonna catch this until market close, right? Sometimes you'll find that this move is even bigger than that one that you missed, right? So the good thing is that this one that's happening right now, it's nice and slow, guaranteed profits. You continue going down with it. This could have caught you, this could have killed you if you didn't know what you were doing. But this is where you make your money, when there's no noise. Remember guys, do not try to catch all the noise in the market. You're going to end up hearing nonsense. But anyway, as you guys can see, what will happen? Sorry for that. The market is going to continue going down nicely. We're going to hit our take profit 1 and continue going down to our take profit 2. Take profit 2 there, yes. So these are my old trades for a buy bias, because I believe we're still in a bullish market, but things will change by the end of the week. I will know. Even today, the take profit one is there, simply because that will be the bottom of the week. Remember, that's this is only Tuesday. The market can come to hit the bottom of the week and then go up, but it's fine, because by the time it reaches any place between take profit 1 and take profit 2, I would know that we will hit take profit 2, and I would know when to cancel my trades, the ones that I've been holding. But anyway, this is how the situation is. We go down nicely, this will lose some profits, it's fine. So, but yeah guys, that's how it is, a continuation of liquidity to the downside because of that volatility that caused the massive liquidity to go down. So you confirm it with that candle, the opening candle, where it closes. This on this DEX, because we like trading DEX, and I want to show it to you on DEX. What happened here in DEX is that the market started shooting up, and right after US Open. Why? Because it's being attracted to that 13300. Remember, small moves in the DEX, small moves in the Nasdaq is big moves in the DEX, especially when it's time for what? It's time for the US market to open, and vice versa. When is the DEX market opening, small move in the DEX is what? Big moves in the DEX are small moves on the Nasdaq. Understand? I'm not saying they follow each other. I'm saying it's all about the timing. Just like they release the CPI 1 hour before the actual market opens. It's all about timing. Timing is very important. If you do not check your times with trading, you're going to die young. But anyway, cheers guys. I hope you guys are killing it. But yeah, I hope that on its own is going to be a key in your trading journey, and it's going to help you make some money. For now, cheers. Let's wait until we hit our take profit. Bye guys.